What if I told you there's an AI that can create Hollywood-level videos for you in minutes, and you don't even need a camera? This tool is replacing video editors, and the crazy part is, you can start making money with it today. It's called Runway AI, a mind-blowing platform that turns simple text into cinematic videos. Imagine typing a futuristic city at sunset and watching it generate a movie scene right before your eyes. This is not Photoshop. This is the future of content creation. Here's the secret. Businesses are paying thousands for ad videos. YouTubers need B-roll footage, and brands want viral TikTok clips. With Runway, you can create these in minutes and sell them on Fiverr, Upwork, or directly to clients. You don't need years of editing skills, just your imagination. And here's where it gets wild. You can combine Runway with ChatGPT to write scripts, and with 11 labs to generate voiceovers. Boom, a fully automated video production business run entirely by AI. If you want me to show you exactly how to combine these AIs to make your first $1,000, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because tomorrow I'm dropping another AI that will blow your mind even more.